Every single day, over 6 million pigs vanish from our planet, transformed into savory lean meat, rich sausages, and golden brown roast pork, covering tens of thousands of tons of food on tables worldwide. A single country can devour over 30,000 pigs a day, pushing that number to nearly 1.5 billion annually worldwide, far surpassing any other livestock. Behind these staggering numbers lies a fascinating journey, from barns gleaming with LED lights to cutting-edge processing lines, from transcontinental flights to the steaming plates of cozy family dinners. Don't want to miss out? Join us as we explore this culinary adventure, where state-of-the-art technology blends seamlessly with tradition. And before we begin, let us know where you're watching this video from. Let's get started. The journey begins on endless highways and under vast blue skies, where millions of pigs are transported daily to satisfy humanity's craving for meat. Picture colossal trucks, like land-bound ships, cruising through golden wheat fields or bustling freeways. These aren't just ordinary vehicles, they're mobile hotels, custom designed for pigs. The floors are lined with a soft layer of dry bedding, like an inviting, comfortable mat for the pigs to rest on. Slats or openings on the sides allow fresh, cool air to circulate, dispelling any stifling heat and keeping the pigs comfortable. But transporting pigs is no simple picnic. Pigs are sensitive creatures, easily stressed like an artist before a big performance. If it gets too hot, they can suffer from heat stress. So trucks are equipped with cooling systems, bringing a gentle autumn breeze to them. Pigs handle cold better than you might think. Just a warm layer of straw is enough for them to curl up comfortably on winter journeys, like stylish, seasoned travelers. What blew my mind was when pigs fly. Yes, you heard that right. Every day, millions of pigs are loaded onto cargo planes, housed in large wooden crates like little mobile homes. These crates are designed so the pigs can turn around, lie down, and feel comfortable, as if in a 5-star resort. One story that made me laugh. One lucky pig even got to fly in the passenger cabin, right next to humans, on a commercial flight. Of course, its owner had to navigate a mountain of strict regulations, from health certificates to ensuring the pig didn't, well, make a scene mid-flight. These pig-carrying flights last from 1 to 5 hours, and if the journey is long, the pigs are provided with food and water. Just like VIP passengers, animal care specialists are always on hand, ready to handle any health issues, like dedicated doctors on a very special flight. To get on a truck or plane, each pig must pass a rigorous health check, like undergoing a tough entrance exam. Only healthy, rosy-cheeked pigs are allowed to travel, helping farmers reduce losses and ensure meat quality. The biggest no-no during transport is packing pigs in like sardines. Pigs love to stretch out, especially on trips longer than 4 hours. A loading density of about 50 pounds per square foot ensures they have enough space to move, cool down, and avoid stress. Instead of using prods or loud noises, handlers use large E-flat panels to gently guide the pigs, like gentle shepherds in a pastoral painting. Before these grand journeys, pigs are raised in modern barns where technology and animal welfare blend like a beautiful symphony. Imagine a barn bathed in LED light, shimmering like a miniature starry sky, helping piglets easily find their mothers for a warm meal. Insulated barriers, covered with dark, diffusing material, act like warm blankets, protecting the young pigs from the biting cold. Sunning areas are designed like mini beaches, where pigs can bask, boost their health, improve digestion, and even feel happier. Can you picture it? Pigs lounging in the sun as if enjoying a tropical paradise vacation. Waterers are placed outside the pens, like a little bar, to keep the resting areas dry and prevent disease. Doorways and stepovers are designed to stop pigs from tracking manure into their resting spots, as if they've been taught to keep their homes tidy. But the heart of the story lies in the processing plants, where pigs are transformed into incredible food. From tender pork loins to rich, juicy sausages. Picture a processing line as a grand stage, where each step is an actor, moving in rhythm to create a perfect culinary drama. Everything begins with humane slaughter, carried out painlessly by state-of-the-art machines. Pigs are moved onto a conveyor system where an automated process gently removes their hair, like a meticulous barber prepping for a masterpiece. Then, flames lick across the skin's surface, not just cleaning, but also sterilizing, like a chef searing a roast to perfect crispiness. Workers or machines make a careful incision down the belly, with the precision of a sculptor, avoiding damage to the internal organs to ensure the meat isn't contaminated. Every movement is precise, like a meticulously choreographed dance, ensuring the meat retains its freshness and highest quality. Among the cuts of meat, the pork leg or ham is a shining star, sought after like a precious gem. These lean, tender, low-fat cuts are a top choice for lavish feasts. Skilled workers, wielding knives as sharp as samurai swords, expertly separate meat from bone, preserving the smooth texture of the pork. Each cut is a work of art, ensuring the meat is ready to be the main event, from crispy roast pork to rich, savory stews. But it's not just the leg. Other parts like the shoulder, ribs, and belly are also carefully processed and sorted for various uses, from making bacon to crafting sausages. Each piece of meat tells a story, nurtured from the barn to the processing line, ready to satisfy the most discerning palates. And now, let's get to the pinnacle of the journey, sausage making, a true culinary art, in spotless, self-contained plants, as clean as laboratories. The sausage-making process is a performance of technology and passion. Imagine blocks of fresh, prime meat, carefully selected like precious pearls, being fed into industrial grinders. The grinders whirl, transforming the meat into a smooth mixture, like an artist painting a culinary canvas. This mixture is then transferred to giant mixers, where it blends with a chorus of spices, robust black pepper like a soaring high note, vibrant red paprika like a dancing flame, fragrant garlic like a deep melody, and pure salt as the foundation of the symphony. Sometimes, a touch of herbs like rosemary or thyme is added, lending a delicate flavor, like a whispered line of poetry in the wind. Ice water is added to maintain moisture, like morning dew making the dish even fresher. Binders, usually egg whites or flour, help the mixture hold together, like the glue in a masterpiece. The meat mixture is then stuffed into casings, either natural casings from animal intestines, soft as silk, or modern collagen casings, durable as a suit of armor. Stuffing the casings is an art, not too tight, or the sausage might split, not too loose, or it won't hold its perfect shape. Like a fashion designer tailoring a perfectly fitting dress, each sausage is carefully formed, like stars preparing for their runway debut. Then, they're sent to the smokehouse, where wisps of smoke from oak, applewood, or cherrywood gently caress them, imparting a deep flavor, like an ancient tale told by firelight. The temperature in the smokehouse is precisely controlled, usually between 140 and 176 degrees Celsius, to cook the sausages evenly while retaining moisture and flavor. Some types of sausage are steamed before smoking for extra tenderness, while others are lightly grilled for a crispy skin. Finally, the sausages are cooled in refrigerated rooms, vacuum-sealed in shiny packages, ready for the shelves, like culinary stars awaiting their audience. Each sausage is a masterpiece, from the fiery hot ones that make you gasp to the mild ones that melt on your tongue like a love song. Have you ever bitten into a hot, juicy sausage, heard that satisfying snap, and felt the explosion of flavor? Was it a spicy one that had you reaching for a glass of water, or an herb-infused one that made you crave another? Tell me, I'm dying to know. Sausages aren't just delicious, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. A small sausage provides a rich source of protein, abundant energy, and minerals like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, helping you build muscle and stay vibrant. What amazes me is the care taken at every stage of production. Everything happens in a closed, pristine environment, like a culinary laboratory, ensuring food safety and exceptional quality. From selecting the meat, grinding, mixing spices, stuffing casings, smoking, to packaging, every step is automated yet carries the touch of meticulousness. As if each sausage is a love letter to the person who will enjoy it. Behind those fragrant sausages and tender pork loins lies a colossal industry where technology and tradition intertwine like threads in a vibrant tapestry. From trucks gliding into the sunset, planes carrying pigs across oceans, to barns shimmering with LED lights, and modern sausage production lines. Every step is carefully managed to deliver the best quality. These pigs aren't just a food source, they symbolize the hard work, creativity, and dedication of farmers, workers, and engineers. They are the unsung heroes, ensuring that every sausage on your table tells a story of commitment. But the story of these pigs doesn't end at processing plants or with delicious sausages. Pork and sausages are the soul of countless cuisines, like joyful notes in the symphony of a family meal. Imagine a Christmas evening in a small European village, where smoked sausages hang glistening by the fireplace, their aroma making children scamper excitedly around the dinner table. Or a lively wedding feast in Asia, where platters of golden roast pork are a blessing for the happy couple. Each piece of meat, each sausage, is a connecting thread, carrying memories, joy, and the stories of farmers who toiled in the fields and workers who meticulously crafted them on the line. Have you ever thought about the story your favorite sausage carries? Is it the fiery taste of youth, or the mild flavor reminiscent of family breakfasts? And let's look to the future, where the pork industry is transforming like a green garden, with pigs raised on organic farms, breathing fresh air and basking freely in the sun. Processing plants now use energy-saving technology, like environmentally conscious artists, minimizing their carbon footprint to protect our planet. The trucks and planes transporting pigs are also being improved, using cleaner fuels, like ships gliding smoothly on a sustainable journey. This industry not only feeds billions, but also carries the aspiration to build a better world, where every piece of meat is a promise of care and responsibility. When you bite into a crispy sausage or savor a tender piece of pork, Take a moment to think about the incredible journey it has undertaken. From pigs cared for in warm barns, transported over long roads or distant flights, to becoming delicious meals, it's a story of connection between humans, nature, and technology. If you loved this story, share it with your friends, so they too can embark on this exciting culinary adventure. And if you want to discover more secrets behind familiar foods, continue to join me on future journeys. See you again with new stories, new foods, and new surprises.